Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by removing batteries and the battery tray. This exposes the two Torx screws under the sticker. Next, take out all visible screws with a T8 and separate them into groups so you don't mix them. Once done, use a spudger to gently pry the shell apart along the seam. Go slow to avoid snapping plastic clips. This first step is about controlled access. You're creating safe room to reach the headphone jack assembly without damaging the PCB. Now that the shell is open, locate the headset jack PCB area and desolder the 3 solder joints holding it. Use a soldering iron at about 350 degrees Celsius and a solder sucker or wick to clear old solder. This prevents lifting pads. Once loose, remove the jack, clean pads with flux, and position the replacement so pins sit flat. Make good, shiny solder joints. Cold joints cause connectivity issues. Finally, trim excess leads and inspect for solder bridges before reassembly. With the new jack soldered, reseat the PCB into the shell, making sure ribbon cables and buttons align. Then close the case and reinstall screws in the reverse order you removed them. Insert batteries and plug in a headset to test microphone and audio. If you hear static or nothing, make sure the jack sits flush and reheat questionable joints. Also check continuity with a multimeter. If problems persist, reopen and inspect for cold solder joints or bent pins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.